How to make Instagram story better quality. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can make your Instagram story quality better, or how you can upload HD videos on your Instagram story. Now, the first thing you need to make sure is that you have downloaded the video on HD, or you have recorded the video on HD that you want to add to your story. Even if it's a picture or a video, make sure it's on high quality resolution if you have recorded it or if you have downloaded it. Now, what you want to do is open the Instagram app and you'll get an interface like this. Now simply tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen and then tap on the three horizontal line icon that you can find on the top right corner of your screen. Now once here, head into settings and privacy. Now here, since the Instagram has hidden the settings, what you want to do is simply head over to search bar and then search for data uses or data uses. Now search it for mobile data use. You can see option right here. Now you'll find the option data uses or mobile data use on your device depending upon Instagram app, and here you can see the option here, upload at highest quality. You can see always upload the highest quality photos and videos even if uploading takes longer. Now what you want to do is toggle the switch on. Now once you do this, you'll be able to upload your video or your picture or post or story at better quality or at HD without Instagram adjusting the video quality automatically. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.